No doubt, education is an important tool to social, economic, and political transformation. All stakeholders must ensure that they invest in the transformation of education. Among many other things that we do at JCSF, we launched the JCSF Education Cafe, a free online tutorial for secondary school students across Nigeria. Some of our students have something to say.
My name is Monday with Silas. I have graduated from secondary school. I am part of GCSF Education Cafe, a free only tutorial for students. I learn a lot from it. Join us.
Good evening, my name is Aisha. I'm a part of JCSF Education Cafe, a free online tutorial for senior secondary school students. Please join us and you won't regret it.
There's no controversy that education is a formidable tool that can be used to transform a person's life and to transform the whole world entirely. I am Edema Joshua, an undergraduate student of Escari Uni, Port Novo. I am part of JCSF online free tutorial. Join us as no knowledge is lost.
Good evening everyone, my name is Abdulhamid. I'm a student of Akon Secondary School. I'm part of JCSF Education Kit, a free online tutorial. I've benefited a lot from this lesson. Please join us.
Good afternoon, my name is Oketaiwo. I'm part of JCF Education Cafe, a free online tutorial for students. I gained a lot from this tutorial and I learned a lot. Join us.
My name is Ines Bioto, a student of Community High School Tube. I'm part of this JCSF Education Cafe, a free online tutorial for every student. I'm happy to be in this group because I've learned a lot from this group. Please do.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jennifer. I'm the assistant maths teacher and coordinator of JCSF Education Cafe, a free online tutorial for secondary school students. We benefit a lot from this tutorial, so join us.
Good evening, my name is Amato Janet. I'm a part of JCSF Education Cafe,